Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you about how you can grow your channel. I will tell you the process which helped me to build my channel. If you see, I started my channel 6 months back, and in these 6 months I have gained more than 90,000 plus subscribers. For this, I am very much thankful to you all. Why I am making this video? Because few days back I made a video saying that you can also start your own YouTube channel. Whatever is your interest, whatever you like to do, you can try in YouTube. So many of my subscribers texted me saying that, "Sir, I am opening my YouTube channel." Some texted me saying that, "Sir, I already opened my YouTube channel." But there was a problem. I got 3 messages, same to same message, saying that, "Sir, I opened my channel, but I'm not getting views. No one is watching my channel. What to do?" So I thought, let me share my experience. Whatever I did, I will share with you today so that you gain views, you gain subscribers. Believe me, my journey of building this YouTube channel was not easy. It started long back. I had 2 channels, but those channels never grew. But the experience which I gained from those channels helped me to build this channel. So the first thing which you need to keep in mind when you open a YouTube channel is that the name. You need to select such name which is unique, which no one has. And the second thing which you need to keep in mind is that there should not be any big channel. The name you select. Suppose you select a name Flying Beast. Now Flying Beast already exists. It's a very big brand in YouTube. So if you select this name, there is a possibility that your channel will not come in the search option. Or you select the name Alina Rise Live. Well, this name also exists. It's a very big brand. So if you are trying to open a channel, try the name which doesn't exist, and it should be different. It should be unique. Along with that, there are some settings you need to work on. You need to make certain settings in your YouTube channel. One setting which helped me a lot to come to the search option is the tagging. Okay, let me show you and how you can make the changes in your channel. Now, first you need to log into YouTube. Okay, log into your channel. Go to your channel. When you go to your channel, do you find this option? Customize channel. Click in here. When you click here, on the left hand side you will find the settings option. Just click in here. When you click here, go to the channel option. Okay, the second option is the channel. Great. This is the place where you need to make the change. See, you find the keywords. When you open a new channel, my dear friends, remember, suppose your channel is related to cooking, you need to put all the tags here. Okay, like what you can put: cooking, how to cook, tasty food, 5 minutes cooking. Whatever words come in your mind, you can put it here. When you put it here, YouTube will understand what type of channel you have, and YouTube will start promoting your channel. It will reach to different audience who are searching for similar types of videos. So see, for me, I put different things: learn, English, beginners, learners, because it's an English learning channel. So I have put everything related to that. Books review I do. Okay, so I also have to put communication. You have to give comma. It comes there. Okay, then you have to save it. So my dear friends, you got it? If you are starting a new YouTube channel, you need to keep all these things in mind. Now suppose in my case, if I just type in here, hello English. See, my channel comes at the top. This is my channel. So why it is coming? Only because I have made certain changes in YouTube settings. So this is all about today's video. I am so happy that you are starting your own YouTube channel. This is a great way to share your experience, to share your knowledge with others, and also that you will be able to earn money. So my dear friends, if you have any other question, you can ask me. Till the next video, thank you so much.